So the first step is to apply a base coat to all your nails and let it dry completely. Then apply some white. It's going to be a base color under your marble design, so don't worry if it's not perfect. The little imperfections would not be visible after that. And apply a second layer of white. So for the marble design, you will need all your polishes that you would want to use and some water on room temperature. And then slowly start adding 1 drop of polish at a time to the water, but really slowly, because otherwise you may gonna end up in the ball on the bottom of the water. And once you've added enough drops to the water, like you're happy with them, then get a toothpick and then just start drawing like a design into that. So it's kind of gonna look like a spider web eventually, or you know, you can just add more so you can create like a marble design. And then slowly just dip your finger into the water, so it's going to pick up the design that you've just created. But before you're going to remove your finger from the water, just get a toothpick and then just clear all the polishes around the finger, so it's not going to duplicate the design on your finger. If you were smarter than me and you use like sellotape or a glue around your nails, you can just remove it now, so basically your finger's gonna be clear straight away. But if you forgot to do that just like I did, now just get like a cotton bud, dipping in some nail polish remover, and then you would need to just like remove the stick polishes from your fingers